So this is the Rainforest Cafe. This is where you walk in. There's a little drink station here with like sparkling water, cold water, and then hot water if you wanted tea. You can go around here. There's bathrooms, so you don't have to go back to the locker. There's the towels and the towel return. And then as you walk through here, there's an ice room. It's sort of like a sauna over ice. And there's these water chairs. And the showers are kind of mixed around. There's another shower there. There's the stone chairs, which I love. And there's other chairs that you can get, have water dripping on you when you're sitting there. There's some more stone chairs back there. And there's one of the saunas. And this is the door to the refrigerator. And there's another shower here. And another sauna there. And more towels. And a little fridge area. I think they usually have other towels that are like chilled. And you go out here. And this is the outdoor area. So you go through these doors. And here, the shower. I'm gonna film. There's two saunas. There's a sauna there and a sauna there. Or a sauna, hot tub rather, sorry. And there's an outdoor shower there. And you can see there's like chairs and stuff. I'm trying not to film any actual people. What I don't like though, it's cool that it's open air and all. That's what I don't like. You can have people staring at you. So it's almost like you're in a little fishbowl. So you go down here. Chairs are kind of neat. There's hanging lounge chairs. And you're open out to the outside, obviously. But then people could just walk around the deck up there and look at you. So I think it's silly. Hot tubs are nice and all, but hot tubs on the other ships like overlook the ocean and they're more private. They're a little bit smaller than these. But so that's it. And the outdoor showers. So that looks like there. This is the back of where the hot tubs are. So the hot tubs are pretty big. And you come here. And you're right back in here. Anybody's in here. So you can kind of see. It's not as cold as I thought it was going to be in here. You got little places to sit. And you got ice in that thing. And you got cold air blowing from there. So. Here's one of the saunas right here. I'm not sure nobody's in here. Yeah, nobody's in here. So you can kind of see what they look like. Get an idea. It's definitely hot. Let's see what this one does. So these are a little different than the other ship. This turns it on. Or no, the control. Sorry, that controls the temperature. This turns them on. So you see that first one does that. The second one comes out from the sides. That's the chairs we were just on. And these are the showers. There's the rejuvenation spot, where we just came in. See, and there's the treatment rooms. reception.